In this video, I will show you how to upload videos on Facebook page. These steps are so simple to follow on Android device as well as on iOS device. First of all, go and open your Facebook. After you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu now, tap on this arrow now to switch to your Facebook page. So as you can see now, I already selected my Facebook page. As you can see now, so tap here is the Facebook page. I already selected the Facebook page. So after you switch to your Facebook page now, all you have to do now, tap on this section, this plus icon. As you can see now, here is Facebook page now. Here's my Facebook page. So in order for you now to upload video on your Facebook page, now tap on this back arrow, come to this home. After you come to this home, all you have to do now, tap on this plus icon. As you can see now, it says upload video, tap on it. So now as you can see now I'm uploading video on my Facebook page, not my Facebook account, as you can see now, because I already switched to my Facebook account. That's it, guys. So now I'll just go and select a random video. I'll select this one. So after you select the video, as you can see now, here is the video. Now I selected the video. So as you can see now, you can be able now to trim the video in this section or to select the thumbnail for the video, as you can see now. So now I select this thumbnail for the video. As you can see, that's the cover photo of the video. So now type in your title for the video. So I'll just type like my video, my views. So after you type in the title of the video, as you can see now, type in the description of the video. So I'll just type in my page. So after you finish typing description of the video, so in this section now, you can be able now to make the video public or private. Select this option. So as you can see under this, as you can see here is the video. It says anyone can be able to see the video because the video is public. So tap on this back arrow. So after you finish typing all this information, all you have to do now, tap on this publish button. So if you tap on this publish button now, wait for it. As you can see now, it says posting. So now after it finished, as you can see here is it. After it's finished posting, as you can see, it's counting in this session. So it will upload now your Facebook video to your Facebook page. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.